Welcome back. Nick Buckler joins us in studio for some information for all drivers.
That's right, Kelly. State Representative Peter Lucido introduced 3 bills to the House that would affect all motorists in the state of Michigan. Upwards of 1.4 million people in Michigan operate a vehicle without insurance each day.
So there's 2, like a left and a right hand, under the code that says if your insurance is expired, if your insurance is lapsed, or you never had insurance, you're presumed to have committed a misdemeanor. The officer should lock you up and bring you to jail because it's a misdemeanor committed in his presence, and you should post a bond. Those are all shoulds. That's not what's happening in the real world.
What is happening is police write the uninsured driver a ticket, tell them to go get insurance, and bring the proof of such insurance to the court. And more importantly, they are left to drive away still without insurance on their vehicle. Representative Lucido's proposed bill would get uninsured vehicles off of the road. If a driver is caught driving without insurance, they would be ticketed, their car would be impounded, and license plate would be terminated, requiring the driver to obtain insurance and purchase another license plate. As of now, every insured driver has a fee on their policy for uninsured drivers, meaning they pay for uninsured drivers to continue to drive. But with insurance rates being so high in Michigan, many people can't afford it. And by punishing uninsured drivers who may not be able to afford car insurance, some Democratic lawmakers are arguing that this bill is criminalizing poverty.
If people have laws, the laws are supposed to be obeyed. If people don't obey the laws, you have chaos. And people that make those kind of statements, it's either because they don't want to pay, it's either because they don't care to obey the law, or for other various reasons. Laws are made to protect not only the impoverished, but also middle class and upper class. Without obeying the laws, none of us would know what certainty is. It's certainty when you obey the law.
If this bill were to be passed, it would lower the cost of insurance rates across the state. With 20% of Michigan drivers not paying for insurance, even to get half of them to get a minimal PLPD policy, it would help everyone's cost as well as keep uninsured vehicles off of the road. However, this bill didn't receive tremendous support from representatives, as they stated it seems too over the top and punishes those with a low income.
Nick, does this lack of support mean it's all done?
Not at all. Representative Lucido told me exclusively that he wants to make a difference in the community as well as the state, and he's going to go back to the drawing board to draft a bill similar to this one that would get passed.
All right, thanks, Nick.